I'm going to share with you how I prepare my wings. So here I have one whole wing. You can purchase this already cut up and also save some money by purchasing the whole wing like this. Come home and cut it up yourself. We will start off by taking off all these feathers. Of course, we want wing. We do not want feathers. So you need to clean this properly. You can pass it over the fire so that all these fine feathers will come out. You're going to pull out all this yellow stuff that is stuck on to the skin here. You can cut this into two pieces. First, you're going to find this ridge here. Place your finger. You can turn it around like this, whichever side is easier for you. And you cut it like this. Now you have the drummet, you have the winglet. You can cut this, find the ridge just like we found the other one, just like that. You can now discard this, or you can keep it to use it as stock. I am going to discard this piece. The next way you can do this is find the ridge here again, and you can leave the other piece just like this. And now I'm going to remove this tip and remove this little piece here as well. There you have it like this. The tip is removed and this little piece here is removed as well. So it's all cut up here now, guys. In goes some flour, some salt, and I'm going to massage this in so that all that yellow stuff that is stuck onto the skin will be removed. You give this a good massage because we need some nice clean wings. And while doing so, you may see some feathers that are reluctant to come out. So you just, if you need to take a tweezer and pull them out, just take a tweezer and pull them out. And goes some lemon juice. So we're going to wash this out properly and I'll come back to you. And look at it, guys, nice and clean. What I'm going to do here now is pat dry each piece. We do not want any additional water in there because we're going to get some nice crispy chicken wings. Now for the spices. Of course, my green seasoning, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, complete seasoning, chicken seasoning, paprika, cayenne powder, and some black pepper. So we're gonna combine all of this together and sprinkle it all over. Add in that green seasoning, and you guys know anything comes out of Shamindi's kitchen, it is well seasoned, seasoned to perfection, seasoned to the bone. I'm gonna add some salt here, not too much salt because the other ingredients have salt. Of course, some ketchup. We're gonna rub in all this seasoning. Make sure all the pieces are evenly coated. So this is well mixed in there now. I'm gonna put this aside, put it in the refrigerator, not in the freezer. I'm just gonna put it in the fridge and allow this to marinate for a couple of hours. I have some errands to do, so I am gonna leave this for approximately 4 to 5 hours and then come back and we'll fry up these babies. Cover it up and into the fridge. See you later, guys. Okay, so we're back here now, guys, and I did say I'm gonna allow this to marinate for a couple hours. However, it stayed overnight, so I'll just put this in here. I have 1 egg here. I'm gonna just whisk this up like so and pour this into this bowl with the chicken wings. I'm gonna mix up this, and the reason why I have added this egg, so it will hold on to the flour, and we'll get to that step very, very soon. Here I have some flour, just regular all-purpose flour. I'm going in with some corn starch, and I'm gonna season up this now. In goes some cayenne pepper, because we want some flavor on the outside as well as the inside. Some paprika and some chicken seasoning. I'm going to give this a good mix, combining all these dry ingredients here. And for this, you can also use some breadcrumbs if you do not want to use the flour. You can try that as well. Next, I'm going to put this into a Ziploc bag. So, give this a nice good shake up here. So if it did not mix up properly in the bowl, it is well mixed in here now. Putting in 1 piece at a time. If you have a bigger bag, you can put in 2 pieces. Depends on how big the pieces are. Remove it. Give it a good dust so that all the excess flour will come out there. Look at it, guys. Each piece is nicely coated. I have my oil heating up there, so we'll head over to the stove and start frying up. That oil is on a medium heat there, and you want to fry this with enough oil. You do not want to overcrowd that pot either. And you're going to allow this to cook for anywhere between 8 to 12 minutes. Give it a nice gentle turn just after 2 minutes or so. See, it's coming along nicely, guys, but I am allowing this to cook just for a couple more minutes. It has not reached 10 minutes as yet, but as you can see, these wings are huge, so I am allowing it to cook just for an extra 2 to 3 minutes. Let's take out these now. It is exactly 12 minutes they have been frying for. Place them on a wire rack here so that the excess oil will drain out right here. And in goes my next